Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing of bagging. Today, this is in the bag, not in the box, guys. But today, we're going to be unboxing this puppy right here. Now, as you can see, it's hard to read the name, so I got to go on my trusty phone and let you know. This is the G Favor Travel Backpack Vintage Canvas Backpack. And this puppy normally will run you about $59.90. But I got it on sale for $29.99. I think I've done maybe one bag. So I said, I need another bag to put some electronics in. So let me see. And it came up on sale and I got it. And I kind of like the canvas. So let's go ahead and get into the product details. Large capacity and flight approved. It's 49 by 30 by 18 centimeters. It's 19.30x by 11.8x 7.1. Fits most travel backpack carry-on flight approved size. And this large travel backpack holds 3 to 5 days travel essentials, easy to optimize carry-on backpack for airplanes. Multiple pockets, total 12 pockets. This men's travel backpack includes a large main pocket with a 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, 4 exterior pockets and 5 internal pockets, and 1 anti-theft backpack pocket, keeping things in good order while you travel. 180-degree open design and easy storage. Differing from other travel backpacks, this one only has one top opening, and this 180-degree opening carry-on travel pack allows you to quickly find what you want, even at the bottom. And this has thick canvas material, water resistant, using high density canvas, not only wear resistant, but also water resistant with leather and metal accessories. Make this vintage canvas backpack more rugged. So that's all the details, product details. We're gonna get back and get into it. But before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor, please like, share, subscribe. I'll say it again, please like, share, and subscribe. My analytics shows that a lot of people are watching. And thank y'all my current, new current, for subscribing to the channel. But please, if you can, can you subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. I'm not expecting you to subscribe if you don't like it. But if you like what you see, please subscribe. And not only subscribe, share with somebody that you might think that needs a decent backpack after we do the unboxing and give my final thoughts on it. So without further ado, guys, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. I had to back the camera out a little bit so you can see it. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. All right, there we go, guys. Sorry for bumping the camera. All right, there we go. All right, there you go. See how shiny that look, guys? Supposed to be rough and tough with the Afro puffs. Hey! All right, so we got it's supposed to be water resistant, and because it's extra thick, it's supposed to be extra durable too. So you got all these things you can hang stuff on here with. All right, cool. And you have it on here now. This part is not shiny, but it does have a little bit of padding, but it's not shiny. This is shiny though. Shiny got this here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I like that. Okay, so let's look at the pockets. Oh, let's look at this pocket first. So I opened it and didn't show you. So this is supposed to be the secret pocket here. So hold on, guys. All right, everybody, what I'm gonna do, I gotta get my light so you see in there. That's how deep it is. So hide some things in here. I think it's called an anti-theft pocket, so they can't get in. All right, so let's go on the outside. You see, me turn this down. All right. So we got these right here. See that? Got that in there. All right. Come over here. See how this look. Just want to make sure everything is working. There you go. All right, working. I like this. I like that. So kind of look at that. Double. That's real leather right there. Open this up. Let's use the light real quick so you can see in there. There you go. That's kind of deep. Now I would like to have something that kind of pokes up. You could turn it to lock it in there. But you know, so you got that. Let's look in there too. It's in there. All right, there we go. All right, guys. So now how do we get into the inside? See, I'm pulling it, guys. So you have this right here, and then you have another one that goes all the way around. You have two zippers. So it opens up like this. So we have in here, we have some more pockets. We have this here. I want y'all to be able to see everything. That's in there, see? Okay. So now we're gonna turn it this way so it'll be easier. So we have two pockets right here. Do they work? Yes, they do. Okay. Then we also have the laptop. Do we have anything up here? Nope. So we have the laptop in here. Again, I want you to be able to see it. See how deep it is. It's pretty good. I think it's 15.6 for a laptop. You have this here. Just put our hands in like that. Again. So it's pretty decent. And then you have these pockets right here. I'm thinking there's no other pockets in here. Sorry, guys, with the camera. That's pretty good, guys. So close it up. You can actually have one zipper come all the way around. So you can open up either side. Like that. So then you can get in from either side. Or you can have one on each side. Doesn't matter. Get in. Pretty good, guys. I do like it. The only thing I wish it had is I wish it had the like an output, because my other book bag got an output where you could charge up. You could put a cable here, put your what is it called? Your power bank inside, and you plug it up on the inside. You have a little out, but I think it couldn't be water resistant with that. This is all real leather. Well, the leather that's on it is real leather. You can see that. There you go. I'm sorry. It's right there. So it's pretty good, guys. This is how it looks. Strong. All right, guys. Well, let's get to the regular view. All right, guys. I'm back. Just to give my final thoughts. I can't give it a grade because I will have to wear it and see how it is compared to my other bag. But I do like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that the bag I have, I can charge my phone up, because it has you'll put your, what is it called? You can put your battery pack or your power bank inside. It has a connector, then it connects. You can connect from USB-A to USB-C or whatever from the outside, so you don't have to have a wire hanging out from one of the things, from one of the pockets. But other than that, I do like it. To me, it looks durable. It's like it could take a lot, and this is how it looks all together, guys. So it's pretty good. So I think it's a good buy. I mean, if you need a bag, a travel bag, or just a bag because you like to go hiking or do a little bit of hiking, I'm not gonna say I know a lot about hiking bags. I don't. I know there's some that are waterproof, but this, nice canvas, kind of thick. kind of durable. So I would say, guys, this might be a good buy. I think this is even worth, I'm just going to say I think. I don't know until I use it. But I think this is worth every bit of $59.99. I think it's worth $29.99. Right now, the black one is on sale. So I will put that one in the description just in case you need a new bag. And, you know, this kind of bag, even for school. You already at school, you need a new one? Hey, for $29.99, you can't beat that, guys. Hey, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new, current, and new subscribers for still rocking with your boy. And so we can get deeper into the YouTube algorithm. Again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey, guys. Do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. And we got some more unboxes coming soon. So please hit the notification bell icon, wherever it is floating around on your screen. And we will see you very soon. Peace.